Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this last minute crazy bold makeup tutorial. It is so Christmassy. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's really easy to recreate. So if you guys need something last minute, quick and fun, this is exactly what you can do. The first thing we're going to do is take the black eyeshadow from the James Charles palette. You can really use any black eyeshadow. I'm just using this one. It's not so intense, so I use this kind of as a transition shade. It's a bold transition shade, but anyways, next I'm going to go into the Sultry palette, and I'm taking the black from that palette. This is a lot more intense, so I'm taking some powder, setting that under my eyes because I know for sure I'm going to have fallout, and I'm going to be tapping this all over my lid. Black is really hard to blend. I'm not going to lie to you guys and say that it's really easy because it's really freaking hard. So use a little bit and just work your way up to the intensity that you want. I kind of go back and forth cleaning my brush off onto a towel or a napkin, because if you don't, it can get really messy. After this, I'm going to take some Duo Lash Glue and I'm going to just apply a lash glue winged liner. I'm going to do this because I'm going to be applying some holographic glitters over the top of this liner. I'm just using some random MAC glitters that I had. So I'm dabbing this all over that liner, and of course I have glitter all over my face. It got into my crease. I have black all over my face. But since we have that loose powder, it caught it all. Next, I'm going to be using the Magic Mini palette by Juvia's, and I'm going to be taking the green shade. I'm taking that on a small brush, spraying that with Fix Plus, and I'm running that all along my waterline. This is a metallic green. It's so bold and so beautiful. It's the perfect color for Christmas. I love it so much. And then we're pretty much done with the eyes. The next thing I do is apply some falsies, and then I also just applied a coat of mascara on my top and bottom lashes. For the lips, I'm using this YSL red lip stick. It's not a liquid lipstick because it doesn't dry matte, but it's still pretty. So I'm applying this all over my lips, and then we're gonna move on to the face for blush. Once again, I'm using the shade Pinch Me. I'm just using this Maybelline brush to apply it. For bronzer, I'm using my favorite bronzer, which is the Dallas bronzer by Benefit. I'm just gonna drag that along the hollows of my cheeks, also along my temples, my forehead, my jawline, and whatever's left over I'm gonna use to contour my nose. I am pretty much done. I'm not doing a highlighter because this is a crazy bold look. I have crazy bold earrings. I need to tie up my hair so that I don't look super crazy, and that was it for this makeup look. If you guys like this makeup look and you guys want me to do a New Year's Eve makeup look, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!